objection to the amendment
We
to include party
Point
lists
of order,
suspended.
Mr.
in the
Speaker, I don't need
Anti-Political Dynasty
to.
Bill.
I don't need
Mr.
to.
Speaker,
B, or as party list representative, so that the Anti-Political Dynasty Bill will prohibit relatives within the second degree of consanguinity for both running for a seat in a district of the House of Representatives and as a party list representative.
What does the sponsor say?
We do not accept.
What does majority say?
Mr. Speaker, there being an objection to the amendment proposed, I move that we divide the House. An aye vote will sustain the amendment, while a nay vote will defeat the amendment. The majority solicits a nay vote.
There is a proposed amendment rejected by the sponsor, and we now move to divide the House. All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye! Aye!
Those who are against say aye. The nays have it.
Mr.
The
Speaker, can we
proposed
ask for a
amendment
roll
is hereby
call vote?
rejected.
Mr.
Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, I move to suspend session.
Mr. Speaker, can we have a
Session
read of-
suspended.
Speaker, I move that we recognize the Honorable Leandro Leviste for his additional amendments.
Honorable Reviste, please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Para matupad ang pangako na ipagbawal ang political dynasty sa Pilipinas, nais ko pong i-propose na i-amend natin ang Section 5 sa A, B, C, D, and E, nakalagay second degree, at ang aking amendment ay palitan ito para maging fourth degree.
What does the sponsor say?
We don't accept.
What does the majority say?
Mr. Speaker, there being an objection to the proposed amendment, I move that we divide the House.
Mr. Speaker, may I move for nominal voting?
Majority Leader,
Mr.
there's a motion to divide the House. All those in favor of the amendment say aye. Those against say nay.
Nay!
The nays have it. The proposed amendment is now not accepted. Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, is there a further amendment from the good representative from Batangas?
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I would just like to manifest my disappointment that we are
Well, Mr. Speaker,
not
point of order.
passing
This is a period of
true
amendment. We don't
anti-dynasty
accept.
bill.
Majority Leader.
But that being
We don't
said,
Mr.
accept
Speaker, I move to
manifestation, Mr.
suspend
Speaker.
session.
I will yield
Session
to
is